So it's darkness here at Le Mans 24 Hour 2022. It's just fallen. And the cars are all now running under their own lights. The drivers lose track of which one is theirs. I've seen circumstances where a driver continues squeezing his trigger and driving the wrong car around. Meanwhile, it's off in a marshal's hands. This is where it gets really difficult and the pace does drop off. Sometimes you can approach this main straight and not know what lane the car adjacent to you or dead ahead is in, and whether or not you can make the overtake or you will run straight into the back of it. Welcome to the world of endurance digital slot car racing.